Well, we went to the dump to drop our trash off today, and I found myself this very fine, pristine Dolly Madison heater, Deluxe, and fan force, and automatic, and it's an instant heater. But anyway, the thing came with a frickin' 18 gauge cord, so as soon as you plug it in, the cord is like so frickin' hot that it's just all frickin' flimsy. But anyway, I changed that one out with either 14 or 16 gauge, whatever doesn't get warm. And it's rated at 16,050 watts. I'm pretty sure now the limit on any appliance that you plug into 120 socket is limited to like 1500 watts now. But an epic 1650 watt. It's a radiant heater, and the knob didn't work at all at first, so I fixed that. And after I fixed it, I wondered why it wouldn't turn on, right? I had it turned on all the way off, which is usually here, but as it turns out, they got their high and low reversed. Usually low's here and high's here. But anyway, let's get to this. It's because it's on too much of an angle. Yeah, fuck it. Sit it down right. Now, that is frickin' toasty. Like, if I'm standing in front of this in shorts or something, I can feel it from like 10 feet away. But, that's frickin' intense. Jeez. Epic. Not bad for free.